Hello, this is Kyle Birch with Cloud Radix, and today I'm going to be going over some basics of editing with Gimp, um, utilizing the WordPress framework here. We're going to put an image right here above our mailing list, but first we need to find out what image size are we going to need that's going to fit there, and it's going to look good. So let's go to a place on the website where we know an image already exists of that size. So here, for example, this is the size we need. Go ahead and right click in here and inspect element. And we can see that the image width right here is 1000. So that's the width that we're going to need. Height's a little irrelevant. We're more concerned just about the width. Okay, so let's go back home here. It's going to go right there. Let's click on Edit Page. And once we're into the page here, we can see the Learn More button. And there's our MailChimp forms. We want the image is going to go right here. Okay, so let's find the image that we want to use first off. I have an image ready here, big green egg. Right click, edit with Gimp. Okay, get this out of the way. Okay, right now let's select image, scale image, set the width to 1000, and hit tab. We want to make sure we maintain aspect ratio. That's very important. And hit scale. Okay, now we have an image that is 1000 wide by 659 on height. Okay, let's go ahead and now we need to export. Let's go to File, Export As. So we have it as a JPEG, which is what we want. We're not worried about transparency here. Otherwise, we'd go with the PNG. Okay, let's rename this at the end. Let's put in the client's name, Henderson. And let's go ahead and export. There we go. Okay, let's take down the quality to about 70. That's going to give us a pretty good compression while maintaining a pretty quality image as well. Just have to hit it again. Okay. Big green egg Henderson, we have that C there. Let's blow that up. We'll see if we have the image that we want. Okay. Now what we need to do is actually upload it to the WordPress site. Let's come to where we want it. Click on Add Media. Select Files. And we see we have our image there. Okay. And we're going to link to a custom URL. I'm going to come back and put that in there because I'm not sure what page I want it quite yet. So I want to put a pound symbol. We'll come back in and fill in the correct URL. Full size. I want that full size. Alignment center. Alternate text. Okay. Anderson Pulls. And that's for SEO right there. Just a description of the image. Okay, we're going to insert into page. Okay, now let's hit update. Let's view the page. And now we can see that we have the image right there that we want. Now ideally we want some text above this, and in order to spruce it up a little bit and link it, of course, we need to find the link that we want to use. We want it to link to the big green egg section of the website, so let's click on store. And we're going to grab the last part of the URL. That is the relative URL, not the absolute. Absolute would be the entire address, but we just want the relative. We're going to copy that, go back into edit page. Okay, see here, href. We would like that to link to the big green egg section of the website. And we also are going to want some sort of heading to give an indication of what exactly it is. So let's bring in an H3. So big green egg. Let's close that H3 off. And maybe a nice little blurb below it would be nice as well. Let's bring in some P tags. Let's call it the most versatile cooking cover. It's a grill, an oven, or a smoker. All of the above. Okay, let's make sure we get a consistency here in our formatting. Okay, and I think it'd be nice if we had a button below that as well. You have that. You bring in the class that the template is using. Every template's going to be a little different. Let's drop that line right below our image. So let's name the title Big Green Egg, class button. Okay, let's get to our link here. Let's change that. Oops. Okay, what was that? Let's change that. There we go. One more. Let's update this. View the page. Okay. We just need to give a little more separation there. I'll put in some spacing here to clean this up a little bit, but it's essentially how we want it to look. And like I said, I'll clean up the spacing. And I think that'll be all for this video. And thank you.